Happy birthday.
Dear Dana. Happy birthday to you. Okay.
All right, now cut it.
What's it gonna do, Tammy?
Nothing.
I bet it's gonna taste good.
Looks good.
Oh hell, I didn't bring them knife out.
That's all right.
Go get it.
Well, I got this.
Well, this is just for me anyway, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Don't
yours.
turn around. Whatever you do, it might fall.
That's yours and yours only.
Do I want to cut it with this or with this?
Yeah, go ahead and cut it.
This ain't gonna cut.
You may have to scrape some of the icing off of it.
Now we can eat that pie.
Cut some of the icing off of it to get to the cake.
Cut some of the icing off of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, take some of the icing off of it to get to your cake.
Y'all play with me.
Use your finger.
Me.
Oh
Feel
shit!
like that
I
damn
see
cake.
it now. I know what the fuck it is.
So roll of toilet paper.
I just happened to see it. I see it sticking up. I said that much fucking.
You got me. You got me.